Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself LS Nanda. Now in today's video, I am going to discuss the solution of a mathematics question that was asked in one of the shifts of JEE Main 2025 April session exam. This question is based on the topic of functions. It says, let f comma g from open interval 1 comma infinity to capital R be defined as f of x equal to 2x plus 3 whole divided upon 5x plus 2 and g of x equal to 2 minus 3x whole divided upon 1 minus x if the range of the function f of g from closed interval 2 comma 4 to capital R is closed interval alpha comma beta, then 1 upon beta minus alpha is equal to. Now students, basically in this question, we have to find the range of the function f of gx when x lies in closed interval 2 comma 4. Now since f of gx is a composite function involving the composition of the functions f of x and g of x, so first of all, we need to find this function. Now students, f of gx can be written as f inside the bracket gx. Now just put the value of gx inside the bracket. So it becomes f of 2 minus 3x whole divided upon 1 minus x. Now students, to find the value of f of 2 minus 3x whole divided upon 1 minus x, I will put x as 2 minus 3x whole divided upon 1 minus x in the function f of x. So now it becomes 2 times inside the bracket 2 minus 3x whole divided upon 1 minus x and plus 3 outside the bracket whole divided upon 5 times inside the bracket 2 minus 3x whole divided upon 1 minus x and plus 2 outside the bracket. Now this becomes 4 minus 6x plus 3 minus 3x whole divided upon 10 minus 15x plus 2 minus 2x. And this is finally 7 minus 9x whole divided upon 12 minus 17x. Now students, we move further. Now students, we have got f of gx equal to 7 minus 9x whole divided upon 12 minus 17x. Clearly, it is the division of two polynomial functions. And we know that every polynomial function is continuous in capital R. And we also know that the division of two continuous functions is also a continuous function in its domain. Now students, the domain of f of gx is clearly R minus x equal to 12 upon 17, because at x equal to 12 upon 17, f of gx becomes undefined. So now I can say that f of gx is a continuous function at all real values of x except at x equal to 12 upon 17. But x equal to 12 upon 17 does not lie in the closed interval 2 comma 4. So that means now I can say that f of gx is a continuous function in closed interval 2 comma 4. Right? Now students, before finding the range of the function f of gx, we will first determine whether f of gx is increasing or decreasing in this closed interval 2 comma 4. And for that purpose, we will find the derivative of f of gx with respect to x. And for this purpose, you can use quotient rule. So you will get 12 minus 17x whole square in the denominator, and in the numerator it is going to be 12 minus 17x in the bracket into minus 9, then minus 7 minus 9x in the bracket and then into minus 17. So this becomes equal to minus 108 plus 153x plus 119 minus 153x whole divided upon 12 minus 17x whole square. Now students, this finally becomes equal to 11 upon 12 minus 17x whole square. Now clearly this value is strictly greater than 0. So that means I can say that f of gx is increasing function in closed interval 2, 4. Right? Now students, we move further. Now students, we will find the values of f of gx at x equal to 2 and at x equal to 4. Now f of gx at x equal to 2 is equal to f inside the bracket g of 2. Now g of 2 you can easily find by putting x equal to 2 in the function g of x. So it becomes f of 2 minus 6 divided upon 1 minus 2, and this is f of 4, and f of 4 you can easily find by putting x equal to 4 in the function f of x, and this is 8 plus 3 whole divided upon 22. This is 11 upon 22 or equal to 1 upon 2. Now students, we find the value of f of gx at x equal to 4. So this is f of inside the bracket g of 4. Now g of 4 becomes equal to 2 minus 12 divided upon 1 minus 4. And this is f of 10 upon 3. Now f of 10 upon 3 is equal to 20 upon 3 plus 3 divided upon 50 upon 3 plus 2. Now students, this is 29 upon 56. Now since f of gx is both continuous and increasing function in closed interval 2, 4, so the range of f of gx in closed 2, 4 will be closed interval 1 upon 2, 29 upon 56. That means alpha is equal to 1 upon 2 and beta is equal to 29 upon 56. So I can say that beta minus alpha is equal to 29 upon 56 minus 1 upon 2, and this is nothing but 56 in the denominator, and in the numerator it is 29 minus 28, which is just equal to 1. So that means now I can say that 1 upon beta minus alpha will be equal to 56. So hence option A is the correct one. Now students, next question I will discuss in tomorrow's video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching my videos and enhance your knowledge of mathematics. Thanks.